You're not unmotivated, you're undisciplined. Every beginner thinks they need motivation to succeed online, but that's the trap. Motivation fades, discipline scales. If you're still broke, burnt out, or invisible online, these daily habits might be exactly what you're missing. The beginner problem. Why you feel stuck. You keep watching but not doing, planning but not posting. Buying courses but skipping execution. Online success isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent, and that consistency starts with tiny daily habits. Here are 3 daily habits I used to go from stuck and invisible to finally seeing online results. Daily habit 1. Wake up with one goal. Don't start your day with chaos. Start it with clarity. Before you check your phone, ask, what is one thing I can do today that brings in a click, a view, or a dollar? That's your focus, not 10 things. One thing. When I first started, I'd wake up overwhelmed by everything I thought I had to do. Make content, build a website, set up email funnels, figure out hashtags. So I'd end up doing nothing. The shift came when I started waking up, opening my notes app, and writing down one thing that moves the needle. Just one. Make a short video. Fix my link in the bio. That was it. And when I finished that task, I actually felt momentum instead of burnout. Ghost's Black Book literally teaches this. Microsystems over mega plans. Daily habit 2, create before you consume. Don't scroll, post. Don't watch, record. Most beginners are stuck because they consume first, then run out of creative energy. Reverse it. Build your identity around production. One reel, one short, one quote, before lunch. This one changed everything. I used to wake up and scroll through Instagram for inspiration. Next thing I knew, an hour passed and I felt drained. I'd compare myself to other creators and then question what I was even doing. So I flipped it. I made a rule. No scrolling until I created something. A short, a caption, even a single quote post. Creating first gave me control over the day, instead of being buried in everyone else's noise. If your success depended on what you track daily, would you be winning or losing? Comment winning or losing. I genuinely want to know. Daily habit 3, track tiny wins. You might not wake up viral, but you'll wake up better. Track your inputs, posts, comments, videos uploaded. Not just outcomes. Results are lagging indicators. Habits are the leading ones. I used to judge myself by sales, and I didn't have any, so every day felt like I was failing. But the truth is, sales are lagging indicators. Once I started tracking what I could control, how many posts I made, how many messages I replied to, how many videos I edited, I started feeling progress. I saw that I was showing up, even if the numbers didn't pop yet. That's when the compounding started to kick in. Optional habit. Watch one video that pushes you. Don't binge. Find one raw video that lights a fire under you. Then go build. Save playlists like this channel. Replay what matters. Delete the fluff. These habits only work if you have the right path. You could hustle for months with no direction, or use a system that cuts out the guesswork. That's what Ghost's Black Book gave me, a clear way to do less and finally win. If you got something out of this, like, comment, and subscribe. We're building a faceless movement for the underdogs. If you want more daily habits, drop a comment and I'll post part 2. See you in the next one.